Hey guys, this is Mac user. I'm going to show you how to use Pocket Gnome on a Mac. First, you're going to want to log in to your character. Second, you're going to want to open up the bot. So while that opens, then we're going to create a profile. So we're going to open up bot, and we're going to create a new profile, and we're going to call it Gnome Rogue Level 1. You're going to want to check Enable Combat. Put the attack range to, I don't know, 20 yards. I'll do 15. You're going to want to leave the level range and everything and just close. That's really easy. Loot bodies for looting bodies. And you're going to want to set up a few things in World of Warcraft. Sorry about all these add-ons. Okay, so you're going to first want to go to Interface, and under Game and Action Bars, you're going to want to make sure you have bottom left action bar checked. You press OK. Now in Key Bindings, you're going to want to go farther towards the bottom till you get to about here where it says bottom left action button, and you're going to want to set it to something that you don't normally use. So I set it to this little bracket type thing, and that's pretty much all you have to and you're going to want to make sure that that you do auto loot and auto self cast, and you return to the game. So now in the bot, we're gonna set up our route. This is really easy, so we're gonna create one. It's gonna level 1 Gnome Rogue, and this is super easy because it pretty much you pretty much just record it. Like, it's really simple. So you're gonna want to go to this basically and set it to yards in every 5 yards. Now you're gonna want a good starting spot. I use TomTom to make a waypoint where I start off. So what I do is I press M and then I control right click, and you can see that there's a waypoint right here. So this is the easiest way I found to start off your route, because you can just run all the way back to it. So after you go to your starting point, you're gonna want to open up the thing and then press start recording. Now anywhere you run, this is where the bot's path will be. So you're gonna want to run around, try to get in the way of as many mobs as possible. And you're pretty much just going to loop back to where you started from. I'm going to do a really short one, but as you get to a higher level, you're going to want to do a longer one, or a super short one if you're in a really small area. But I'm just going to do a quick little route. And once you run back to where you started from, which is right here, you're going to want to go back to this and press stop recording. You can see that there is a route all the way around, and yeah, so now you're going to want to just copy this by Command C and paste it, and go back to here and remove the waypoint. So now you have set up your route, and corpse run, to properly set it up you should die and then run back, but right now what it will do is from the corpse it will run in a straight line to your body, in a straight line to the start of the path. Just to set it up properly, you should on purposely die and set it up right. So next we're going to do behavior. Now behavior is really simple. We're going to do level 1 Sorry, I have done this before. This is my second video trying to attempt to make this good. So we're gonna go to combat and add a rule. So first we're just gonna make it attack when the distance to target is less than 10 yards. And we're gonna save that. Now we're gonna copy and paste that, and then on this one we're gonna change it to Sinister Strike and add health / power, and then go to energy, because rogues use energy, and if it is greater than 45, which is as much as it costs to use Sinister Strike, then we're gonna cast Sinister Strike and save rule. So on this one we're gonna do eviscerate, and that's when we have more than, we're gonna do 3 or 2, and just gonna save that rule. And that's pretty much it for combat. I guess you could do if the distance to target is more than 10, you could throw. And we're gonna save that rule for throw. And regen, we're just gonna do if the health is less than, I don't know, 60%, then we're gonna use the tough jerky. We're just gonna call this eat. So that should be good enough. Now what we're gonna want to do is just make sure we have everything that we want selected, and we're gonna, every time you start, you should press routes, click the first one, and then press move to waypoint, and it will move exactly where it starts. And you're gonna want to do press the bot. Oh, how come it's... Oh, make sure in under action bars. Yeah, okay. I don't know why it's doing this. Yeah, okay, I didn't make it so it always shows it. Okay, now you're gonna want to basically just start the bot. You'll see that it will do everything right. I don't know why it's running in the wrong. Yeah, it fixes itself. Probably because I have another one open in a different user. But you will see it run around, find a mob, and attack it. See?
Not ready.
Alright. And there's a Sinister Strike. And another Sinister Strike. Another Sinister Strike, and it should eviscerate. Oh, there we go. And after killing it, it should loot it. Whatever, I'll just loot it for it. Normally it works, it's just, I guess, because I have 2 of these running. And it will resume. This is just acting up because I'm recording it and a bunch of stuff going on. Yep, here it goes, it resumes. And it will do this forever, literally. And so, there we go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Talk to you soon.